And hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you into the Eclipse Center, also known as the Shrine Center, here in, are we in Pharr? I think we're in Pharr, Texas, P-H-A-R-R. Ooh, I can spell. So we're going to take you around this center here and show you what it's like. And anytime you see any videos like this, be looking for things that maybe you can do to your own facility, whether it be a Shrine Center or a Masonic Center, maybe make it a little more pleasing to the eye. Like maybe moving it away from such a busy road. Anyway, come on, join us, because I need to go wear my funny little hat. Be looking for pictures of that in this video. I'm gonna get in here, come join me, because we're gonna start living the coolest life. Masonic edition, in this case, Shrine edition. Well, we just had our meeting and I didn't get to wear my funny little hat. So I thought I'd wear it for you at this time. That star is supposed to be in line with my nose. So there it is. Isn't that pretty? That's my big nasty shrine hat. I don't wear it very much in meetings. So anyway, this is their nice big building here. It's a big open space as soon as you walk in. And there's a blocker, so you can't just look in straight from the front doors there. You can't just look in straight from the front doors and see the big room. You actually get blocked by this wall they have here. They got restrooms that direction, and they got a nice kitchen over here, down here. They rent this room out a lot. They have whittlers that come in here once a week. Some different organizations that meet here, but it's a nice big open room. So the great thing about open rooms is you can do a lot with them as far as putting curtains, and because they've got a wire going on up here. Oh, there it is. Here, you see the wire right there. There's a wire going there. There's another one right there that you see. So it's great to have a nice big open space like this to be able to work with. And I think they've got they got a bar set up over here and some storage units there. So it's a great thing about having a space like this is you can rent it out to other organizations, non-Masonic or what have you. But oh, quick break in the action. I wanted to show you something, a little closer view of this fez I'm wearing. This is actually my Fez box. You put your hat in. Some people decorate their stuff, but they put all kinds of little knickknacks and things and pins that they get. Inside this box, of course, is my Fez. But these boxes kind of look like this, as you can see. So I got a place for my name badge and maybe my, what do they call that? The Court of Honors thing? I thought I had one in here. I'll have to see where I put that. I got one of those lanyards you put around your neck and stuff. So anyway, this is a pretty common Fez. This is called the double jeweled. As you can see, there's two rows. There's also one called the triple jewel. That's exactly what it sounds like. It's got 3 jewels go around. Typically, most people get the single, or they get one that's just stitched. If you look real close, there's some stitching up underneath this. So they'll get some that are stitched that says what they're at. Basically, every time you get a single jewel or double jewel or triple jewel, the price goes up. Most people get a single jewel, and then even this will look a little different. It'll look. Well, here's one. I'll show you. You see that a sword? See how that sword is going through the center, and how? Which one am I looking at? I got one right here somewhere. Let's see. No. I've got one here, I promise you. Got a regular sword. I just saw it. Okay, here's one right here. You see how the sword is above the tiger's claws there? You see how that's shaped? That's the normal. This one here is the normal shrine logo that you would find. But as you put on Fezes, you'll see that a lot of them will have this, and they do that for spacing because they don't want this to look really small with that. Instead of having, because if they had a big sickle up here, this big sword, I should say, this saber, they had it up here, all this have to move down. You have to make it smaller. And a lot of brothers up here, they'll get Divan or Provost Guard or something like that. And Divan is basically the officers of the shrine. They're main elected officers that run the Shrine Center. Some people call it the temple, but the Shrine Center is run by their board of officers, which is the dive in. They'd put dive in there. And of course, if you're a past potentate, you put PP and then maybe your year or something like that to let everybody know that you're a potentate. If you're a current potentate, you'd actually get one that says potentate. You may get a whole new one, or you may get yours engraved and get a single jewel with your name across it or something like that. So sometimes you'll see that. And also some of the other differences are these little color here. As you get the double jeweled here, you might get the nice fancier one of these, which is basically your holder for your tassel. And these come in different lengths too. Some of them are like this long, and others are this long, which is what mine is, and others are even longer, which I don't know what you're compensating for there. Anyway, and then also you get your clasp. Like mine's a clown because I'm a shrine clown, so I actually got a clown. Normally these are just a single bar, and it might show your state you're in. Like for example, this one here's outside is out of Macon, Georgia, so they might get a little tab that goes over top of this, and it'll say Macon, GA right there on it. But I just wanted to give you a little closer up look at and explain a little bit about the Fez. Be looking for my shrine videos to come. Now back to our regular program, already in progress. See, they got all the chairs here on the side. I don't know what they got all the chairs pushed over to the side, but they also got a nice big piece of property here. Great parking. They had some type of fair was out there last week they had going on. I think they rented space and did I don't know, some organization did a fair, but they rent this space out, and then they would sell tables. So it's great. So anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you're ever in this area here and you want to go to a shrine club, you can visit the Nomad Shrine Club here in, I'll put that city. I think this is in Pharr actually. But come visit these brothers, and sure they welcome you like they did me. We didn't have a meal here, so be prepared. We also didn't wear our hats during the meeting, which I was kind of surprised. But this is one of our few chances every month we get to wear our big giant hat. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Check out our other videos on our Masonic playlist, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Masonic and Shrine Edition.